Okay, department heads, this is for you to learn how to find out what's going on in your classes and to check grades. You're going to have this permission until the last day of September. So if you figure out how to do it now and use it for the next 2 weeks, just to make sure that all your people are up to date in your departments. So you're going to go to academic, then you're going to click on classroom manager. Secondary is period long. And then you're going to choose the department. So I'm going to choose the math department. And then it shows all of the math classes. And I'll pick one of mine. So I'll pick math course 1 right here. And if I click on that, then it actually opens up the whole classroom page. So now be very careful what you do when you're on this page, because what it will do is actually you can change some things in here and you might not want to do that. Let's hope you don't want to do that. So what you can check here is to make sure that they're putting assignments in regularly, that they have graded assignments, that they have current assignments. Make sure that when you click on grade overview that the current grade and the posted grade match. Otherwise, it might be important for them to know that the current grade and the posted grade don't match. So that's what you should be looking for specifically. But you can also look at the configuration. Please make sure that whatever the configuration is, it adds up to 100, of course, and then also that they're going to have small enough categories. Then don't make 15 categories, because chances are they won't have grades to put in every single category every single quarter. So those are the things that you can look for to start with. Make sure that as you're watching their grades, the grades develop. You can see if everybody has an A, of course you want to check on that. If you have a significant number of students with Fs, to check on that. So those are the things you can be looking for over the next couple days until the end of September. And then of course we're going to take this permission away from you again, and then you'll just need to sit down with your teachers and have them open up their grades so that you can just check to make sure things are happening the way they want to happen. And then will be another way that you can actually check some of the basic stuff. But for now, that's what we want you to do.